Hello, today I will show you how to make a live wallpaper working with Wallpaper Engine and Rain wallpaper. First of all, we need a high resolution photograph. You can find it from Google. I will use this photo. So I will download this. Okay, this is our photo. Let's open Wallpaper Engine and tap Create Wallpaper. Then we tap Create Wallpaper. Choose your photo. Wait, where is it? Where is it? That's it. Let's make scheme color yellow. Okay. This is our photo. After that, we will add some asset and effects. If you want to add effects, in the right side, tap here. Then you can choose any effects of this. Let me show you some effects. As you see, we add this effect. You can customize the effects as you see from here. Now after that, I want to add some assets. So I click here in the left side. In this new window, I want to choose first fog. Click OK. When you click here the yellow rectangle, you can choose the place of the fog. I will make the color yellow. I want to add another thing. Add asset. I want to add smoke. Tab here, smoke. I will add smoke cloud. Okay. I want it to be here, and I will change the color of the smoke to yellow. Or you can choose another color like blue. Or yellow. you can add smoke in this side also. Add asset, choose smoke, choose smoke cloud. Okay, and we make it in this side the color yellow, as you see. And here is our live wallpaper is ready. If you want to delete anything, for example, you want to delete the smoke, you tap it and you tap this X sign and it will be deleted. If you want to delete the effects, tap on the photo here in the left side, then in the right side you can see the effects here. Also click this X sign and it will be deleted. For example, VHS effects. Now after that I want to save this, so tab for Steam, prepare wallpaper for publishing, give it any name, take snapshot here, tab enter, then tab publish. Everyone, you have to wait a little because my wallpaper engine is not original. As you see, project saved. Okay, close this, close this. Let us open wallpaper engine again. Now we will tap change wallpaper, and as you see, this is our wallpaper. Tap it, tap OK, and here it is. This live wallpaper was made by us. For example, I want to change something. I don't like this VHS effects. I want to delete it. Go to wallpaper engine, tap the change wallpaper, then open in editor, tap in the photo, and I want to delete the effects VHS. Then again tab Steam, prepare wallpaper for publishing, publish, close, close again. Okay, now change wallpaper, and you tap here, and as you see, the VHS effect has been deleted. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in another video.